Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share a secret family recipe with you. Today we will be making a very delicious kache qeema ke parathe, which is our delicacy. So hope you like it. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do so, because lots of interesting videos will be on their way. We have all lined up. So for kache qeema ke kebab, first of all we will tell you what are the ingredients, and then we will share with you about the cooking and everything. So first of all, we will be needing zira half tablespoonful, ajwain half teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, ginger powder 1/4 tablespoon, chaat masala half tablespoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, haldi half teaspoon, chili flakes 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon, 1 onion finely chopped, coriander leaves chopped, few mint leaves, basil leaves, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 2 spring onions, and half lemon that will be required, and also we will be needing 1 tablespoon white vinegar and 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Also we will need dough for making the parathas. Put all the ingredients together. We are squeezing the lemon on the mincemeat nicely, and then we will put all the ingredients into the mincemeat, and this mincemeat with all these will go into the chopper for a few minutes. We'll finally mix it together for a few minutes so that it will be nicely mixed and evenly mixed. That's it. So we put all the ingredients in the chopper. We are going to chop it for a few minutes so all the ingredients will be finely mixed, and then we will show you the end results. Now we will show you the end results after almost 5 minutes. This is the shape of the ingredients, which we are going to take it out in a dish, and we will start our parathas. So we took out all the ingredients and finally chopped in a dish, and then we will show you the end results of making parathas. So with the dough, we made it flat with the rolling pin. Now we are putting the oil on the roti and dough, and after that we are going to put the mincemeat or qeema on the dough like that. Take your time. And then we will roll it like that, nice and gently. We will roll it again like this in a round shape, and flatten it again. Now start rolling it again and make it slightly bigger. In the meantime, preheat your frying pan for 5 minutes on a very gentle flame. Now we flip it over for a few minutes. As you can see, it's cooking nicely and getting in shape. So after cooking for 15 to 17 minutes on low flame, your paratha is now ready for serving. Now we are going to tell you the different ways of making the same paratha. Now the parathas are finally ready. It took about 20 minutes to fry it on a low flame, and we are serving today with achar, chutney and lassi, but you can serve it with in your choice.